Hello everyone. Our today's session is introduction of e-commerce. So, e-commerce stands for electronic commerce, means trading, where buying and selling of goods and services over the internet is called e-commerce. E-commerce is a paperless exchange of business information using EDI, electronic funds transfer, etc. E-payment systems are widely used in e-commerce. Consumers can find what they want to buy and purchase it easily. As you know, the this era is very technology based, and everybody don't waste their time. So e-commerce is a very smart technique to do shopping, and we can say also it helps in doing business. So consumers are generally more willing to make purchase if purchasing process is easy and immediate. So here are some steps which is involved in e-commerce. First is sourcing. Sourcing means what is the source of your business, and the second is cataloging. Cataloging means how do you present your products on website is cataloging. Listing means which what type of collection on your website. And the marketing means advertising how to do your advertisement of your product. And packaging also the play very important role to in e-commerce, because packaging should be attractive. And the shipping means the shipping delivery should be immediate and on the time. It will help in e-commerce to increase their growth. Here we see some how e-commerce started. So in 1995, birth of internet, and 2002 online ticket booking is started. After that, Google and Facebook spread all over the world. So first online ticket booking is the main technology which is came into the e-commerce. And 2006 mm, in 2006 product is not selling on the internet because lack of trust, because credit goes to the traveling booking for e-commerce in India. In 2007 and 8, Steve Jobs launched iPhone, Mintra, Amazon launch. Importance of What is the importance of e-commerce? Importance of e-commerce is investment. Ratan Tata, Jeff Bezos, they invest their income in e-commerce, and they get more revenue, and after that it grooms all over the world. Uh, Now next point is speed of growth. Speed of growth means how your company is increasing. The third one is customer behavior. As the customer behavior, it will also help to increase your business. Now we will see types of e-commerce. The first of type of e-commerce is B2C, that means business to consumer. It is the model taking business and consumers interaction. In this consumer purchase some goods from a website, and website contact to the company, and then we will get the product. As Amazon is the good example of business to consumer. and Flipkart also. B2B e-commerce is a manufacturing, selling issuing goods to the retailer or wholesaler, in which wholesaler offers order website and website order processing to the business organization. Manufacturing then supplies to the wholesaler. In wholesaler has two types, retailer and customer types. The benefits of business to business e-commerce is encourage business online, import export is easy, buyer seller determination is easy, and trade guidelines. The example of B2B is India Mart and Alibaba. And the third one is consumer to business e-commerce. In this e-commerce type, consumer demands a specific product service from respective business. Business organization receive product service and customer receives money. Customers post product service on the website and website hire service goods from the business organization, like freelancer and Fiverr. Freelancer is a website where we bid the auction, and then we will get the some question, and after solving the question we will get the money on behalf of it. And the fourth one is the consumer to consumer e-commerce. It means that a consumer would contact a business in search for a suitable customer, like OLX, eBay business. In this, receives money customer 1 receives money, and customer 2 is received product and service, we can say, and website is buying to the customer 2, and the customer 1 is selling product. These are the types of e-commerce. Thank you.